Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you shiny and matte mix nail art design Valentine Day step by step guide. Although red or pink nails may be predictable on Valentine's Day, nail artist Nicolta Shazlak used some unexpected combinations to create a super cute manicure. She used indigo nails mineral base in neutral for the pale matte pink nails and the same brand's gel polish in the shade Fireman for the glossy red nails as well as the adorable little hearts at the cuticles. Style number 2, white and pink lips. Brooklyn Clove Mafia created this flirty manicure by painting the long squirt of nails with the gel bottle peachy pink BAB20 and adding cute little lips on 4 of the nails with nail by Becky White liner gel and young nails hot pink mega jam. Let's move to style number 3, heart tips. Pointy nails practically beg for this clever idea instead of a simple red twist on a French manicure. Use the shape of tips to create hearts. Nail artist Alison Bordeaux's Orientin use C and D Stalac in B Dermio for the pink base and the same formula in rose brocade for the red hearts. Next style is two-tone heart tips. Who says your heart shaped tips have to be red? Nail artist Courtney Wetmore did a glossy version of this twist on the French manicure with one red tip hand using azzy shade hiking heels and one black tip hand using azzy classic black licorice. Style number next is a little love for baby Yoda. Brooklyn based nail artist Swana Walker of manicure nail look her heart shape tips on step further. Okay, a step further with this elaborate add her favorite little dude. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel. Bye.